Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I have my PR package from Ipsy. So this is the Boxy by Ipsy and the Ipsy Glam bag. These are spoilers for December 2023. I filmed a few videos. I still have 2 to film. I figured I'd do them another day. And this came and I'm like, I have to see what's in it. So, like I said, the theme for December 2023 is You're the Main Attraction. And this is the Ipsy, PR package. We all know December prices went up. So the Glam bag is now $14 a month. Let me just find my little card here. We do still pay the $1.99 shipping and handling. I pay tax. The Glam bag, you get 5 samples. You get to customize 1. They did promise full-size products that you would be able to pick from. I get 2 bags in my paid portion of Ipsy. And I didn't notice a full-size product, more than 1 full-size product, and I wasn't choosing the same product for both bags. So I kind of think I got gypped on that deal. And then the Boxycharm by Ipsy is going up to $30 a month. Same tax and $1.99 shipping and handling. You get 5 full-size beauty products. We get to customize 3. I don't know. So let's do this. I'm excited to see what the bag looks like because I have not seen anything. Aww, it's so cute. So I have the Glam bag right there. And, they put a card in. It's the same, it's going to be blank because this is for, the PR. Look at the bag. I'm going to show you the back first. Cute pink bag on the back. Let's come down this way. I'll flip it in. Look at this bag. Like a little Christmas ball. The red and the green glitter. So far, I haven't noticed it getting everywhere. I mean, maybe a few little pieces, so you'll have to be mindful of that. So let's see what's in this Glam bag. And I don't know what I think. Honestly, I don't. So I'm going to put that card inside there. So, and everything is freezing. It's so cold in Pennsylvania. We had a snow squall come through this morning. Didn't really leave anything, but we still had snow. I was like, no. Dr. Brandt Microderm Abrasion Exfoliator. It's not a tiny, tiny sample, but still a sample. I'm okay with that. Here we have from Silky. This is a detangler, like a spray that you would put on. Nice little sample to have. What I think is the full size is from Shades by Shan, and this is the gel eyeliner. And this one looks like, I don't know if you guys can see that, like it's a purple. Let me see where to open this. I can see the little line. Let me see if I can get it to start. I don't know if I can. Oh, it might just have gotten it. I mean, I don't know. Sometimes I wonder what they're sealing. Like, you're going to struggle with that. I'm going to use my knife, see if it will help me. Like, I appreciate stuff being sealed, but my goodness. Okay, I didn't get it all off, but good enough. Oy. So that's not at all the shade. I just got it all over my hands. I don't know if you can see that's a green. Oh, that's pretty. Here it is right there. Nice festive green. I wonder why there's like a purple. Oh, there's purple and green. See, I only saw the purple, but there's a green little mark too. So that's not bad. That'd be great for the holidays. You could wear that whenever. I also have a product from Ace Beauté Slick Luster Lip Gloss. And I don't see a shade, but we'll figure this out. Might be a clear. No. Nice little shade. Let me see if I can read this. I've been struggling reading today. Cannot, unless Slick. I'm not sure if that's the shade name. Nice doe foot. Is this just going to be a clear? No, it's got a little bit of Just a slight pink, good lip gloss. Never going to say no to a gloss. So that's nice, like that. And then the last thing for Mana Kadar, Step 3, Diamond Dust. Ooh. So it's right here. Sealed. So let's open her up. And it looks like this is Pixie. That is going to be like a liquid shadow. I'm not going to open that because I don't know if I would wear that. If I'm being real. I love the liner. Ooh, and I think I chose that in one of my bags. So that's the Ipsy Glam bag. Adorable. Let me put the trash inside the bag so I can contain the mess. I love the gloss, and the green eyeliner is phenomenal. So this is like busted at the seams. So let's see what we have for December. Spoilers for Boxycharm. Get the little pamphlet. Here's the main attraction. You know, you can scan the barcode right here and it will tell you about your products. I don't generally do that. Like here are some like power picks for December. We haven't chose yet because it is only the 28th, I think, of November. But let's see what we have. From Pure Lease, Kale and Vitamin K Exfoliator. Ooh, nice. I'm going to be checking dates. And Pure Lease is Yensa. Is a sister brand to Yensa. And this, I can't tell. Ooh, it's cold. Right there. Nice. I have some brushes from MOTD Cosmetics. Right here. Nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece set. 4 eyeshadow, 1 like spoolie and like liner brush. I might share them since it's a set. From Iconic London, Enrich and Elevate Mascara. And this is black. Not sure if I'll keep this. I don't think I need another full size. So that's what that looks like. I'm not going to open it and start the clock on that. And then here I have from Nip and Fab Renew a Retinol Fix Blemish Gel Treatment. Okay, I don't usually get blemishes, but I could share it with somebody who does. Oh. Excuse the hair today. For anybody that is not aware, I am actively my mom's caregiver right now. I mean, she is improving and starting to be able to do some things for herself more. She was sick and towards the end of October, maybe a week and a half. So I was doing a lot for her at that point. Then I had to call an ambulance and take her into the emergency room. She just became like non-responsive, just lifeless, and I thought I was going to lose her. To be honest, I was panicked. And here she was severely dehydrated. She was having some issues with her kidneys, like almost kidney failure. And just thank the good Lord, you know, my dad and my niece were watching after my mom and got her through that after a week, about 7-8 days, something like that. And then she came home. She's been home for about a week and a half. And in the beginning, it was a struggle for her, but I see some strength coming back. She's more herself. She just had no idea where she was, what was going on, nothing. I mean, I had to make decisions for her, which I just felt horrible doing, but it was just a day or two. So, and she started to come back where she could answer questions herself, you know, became a lot more alert. So, you know, I am still, you know, jumping up in the middle of the night if I think I hear her. So, like, this is the best I got today. You know, I'm clean. My hair needs to be washed, which it will be later. It's so straight just from flat ironing it and using my heat brush just to get it under control. I have visiting nurses and home PT and home OT and just to make myself presentable. Like, I think I have no makeup on, a little lip, it might be worn off, but so forgive the appearance, but like I said, at least I'm still here and barely functioning, but I am. So here's the product. I have not tried this. I don't know if I tried anything from this brand, but I'm excited to give it a shot and see what I think right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Is that 4 products? 1, 2, 3, that's 4. Oh, number 5, Il Maquillage. This is Color Boss Quad Game Changer. I don't know if I have this one. If I have it, I will share it. So this is the packaging right here. I won't know until I look through my... Oh, I don't know if I have this one. Beautiful. Nice little smoky gray there. And some dark. Ooh, I like. Oh, yeah. Hair's a mess. The ends are all, like, dry. I need to condition them. I'm going to start using my Olaplex. Ooh, that's nice. And these are heavy, so these are, like, bougie. So that's what's in my Boxy by Ipsy from Ipsy. Then we got some Ipsy Creator Incubator little gifts. So we got a pair of the fuzzy socks, which I love. Perfect timing. Thank you, Ipsy. And then here, this says Ipsy Creator Incubator. Maybe like a little water bottle holder. Comes with a nice long strap. But I guess this is all adjustable. It's all twisted up. You could shorten it. Yeah, recycle water bottle, so you can put your water, you know, if you use a, you know, a container, you could probably fit it in there, water bottles, and crossbody this, put it on your shoulder, and take your water with you. That is adorable. I could use it for whatever I want. I don't need to use it for that, but how cute. I love when they send us merch. I would love, like, t-shirt. Like, I have Boxycharm t-shirts, but I really don't want to wear them when I'm doing Ipsy. I would love some Ipsy t-shirts. Sell them in your shop. I will buy them, or send it to us. You know, sweatshirt, you know, any kind of good merch. I have Ipsy umbrella. I have, I can't even begin to tell you the Ipsy stuff that I have. But I love the little free gifts, and thank you so much, Ipsy. But I am excited for everything in the Boxycharm. This, I don't think I have that. I'm excited for this. Mascara I could keep, but I won't. I don't need any more brushes. I'm thinking about going through my brushes and putting some away. So I will share those two for sure. Like I said, I don't think I have this, but if I do, I will share that. So that is Boxycharm by Ipsy, the main attraction. So these are products that you could get in your December box. Depends on what you choose. I think, I don't have my phone here. So 12/1 is a weekday. So we should be able to pick on 12/1. Every month from the 1st to the 3rd, discover 2 power picks. So you can, you know, you get more than 2. It says new dates. Build your box. Right here. Build your box, new dates. So it says from the 1st to the 3rd. Well, I thought it was the 1st to the 3rd anyway, but so you build your box. So make sure you get to pick the products that you want, and then if you do the beauty boost, which I do, they will automatically check one off for you. If you see something else that you would rather have, uncheck it and put a check mark next to what you want. If you want the item that they chose for you, then you don't have to do anything, but you can change it. You're not stuck with what they choose. So, and that was shared. I think Tina Bacon shared that with me. I think it was Tina. She's usually up on all that stuff, you know, spoilers and this and that. I just asked her not to share spoilers because I don't watch them, and I'd like to be surprised. But I appreciate her knowledge. So thanks, Tina, for all that throughout the months here and the years. You've been with me a long time. So, are you excited for the December products? I kind of am, but I'm also a little disappointed with the Glam bag because there should have been multiple full-size items that we could have picked from. You know, I know there's a lot of us that get more than one bag. I don't want, and I got the liner in my PR, so I'm getting a liner, which I will share in a giveaway, which is no big deal. I didn't want, you know, I run the risk of getting one in PR. I would have had 3 if I chose it in both. Yeah, I could always put it in a giveaway, but, you know, should I have to do that? No, I want full-size products that I can keep. You know, you could have given us a full-size mascara, you know, a lipstick, a full-size lip gloss, a liquid lip, like things like that go a long way instead of brushes, masks, liners. I would have loved, I don't know if I chose a lip liner, or I know it was Shades by Shannon. I thought probably the same liner, eyeliner, which is fine because I love that and I will wear that for sure. But, you know, I don't know. I wish there were more than one choice of full-size products. Thank you so much for watching. Get excited for your December boxes. Have a good day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.